YouTube, what's good, family? Welcome back to the spot. It is boredom killing time. So I know I ain't been uploading a lot of stuff. You know, the winter I be getting a little lax, and also I've been waiting on a lot of parts and stuff because I'm really doing a lot of house maintenance this year. And I figured I'll walk y'all through it. Today is just basically I gotta replace my awning post, and I have to replace my fascia board. It's all messed up, you know, and it's like a can of worms when you buy an old military house. You open up one thing, six things wrong, and then to fix the first thing, you find out the sixth thing is what you have to finish first to be able to finish all five of the first things. It's nonsense. But enough jaw jacking. I'm about to bring y'all with me. It's gonna be a quick little video because it's a lot of work, and I'm not gonna have y'all watching me and fast forward. But if y'all do want me to be putting videos out like that, let me know, comment, and I will abide by it. But enough jaw jacking. Let's get it. So you can see the wood right there. This is what all I pulled off. But you can kind of see how bad it is. So all I've done now is I've removed all of the nails, bolt screws, flim flam off all of this. And I have removed, started on the porch, I removed the two posts holding up the awning, and that's supported by those three posts. 1, 2, 3. Those two are individual. This one actually spans across, and I have posts. I have to go to the store and get more wood. I have the post up, or the wood up here, ready to support, and I'm going to do my span there, and then I'm going to support right here, and I'm going to pull off. This is under my fascia. It's ridiculous, guys. Like, you can see so I am so I'm going to show y'all with me on what I got going on. We're going to support that long span with some 2x4s so I can kick this out, and I will be kicking that one out, and the awning part will officially be supported by my kickstands. They're all supported. That one's up there, which bridges that gap, and I'm hoping the plywood is strong enough to be okay. And then bam, I've kicked all of the posts out. Now I'm about to remove this little beam, this 2x4 span, and get up in there, guys. Okay, so I've already started. I'm gonna record today. I'm gonna quit playing, but I've already snatched off half. There's the other half. All I'm doing is just cutting strips and then pulling it out. And then when I come back, I gotta remove all the nails that's poking out and put it back in. Okay, so my battery ended up dying, but I'm just gonna walk you through what I got going on. So I've been scabbing on, cradling everything. Okay, if you look, so left side is a solid board, right side is a little L-shaped board. So I've been going down the line. I have to cut all the nails, remove all the remaining wood. And I worked all the way down here so far, guys. And I haven't finished. You see, I cradled that one, but not that one. All right. Over here, I've added in some extra support because I'm gonna bring some cross beams across to connect these rafters right here, like that. So I wanted a good backing. I'm gonna do that all the way. Just add breaks in and connect it. Also, upon inspection, so what they were doing, let me get you. So they've been scabbing on, because this is a military town, and they've been using old rafters, as you see. Like if you go all the way down, each one of these has a notch for, when you're doing rafters, and this is why they scabbed on. So this one right here is breached. So I'm gonna add a extra full board right here. And I know why it's breached. It's breached because we're losing the concrete right here. It's breaking. So that's another video coming up, guys. I'm gonna level this, or attempt to. And the reason that is happening is the tree, rule of thumb, the roots are bigger than the canopy, and the canopy is above my house, so the roots have to be, somewhat similar, if not greater. And trees eat like 5,000 gallons of water a day, some ignorant number. And here in the South, when you get grass where it's cracked in between, look like the Grand Canyon or Sahara Desert, it's because the tree is sapping every bit of moisture it possibly can out of the ground. I've already had to replace my pipe all the way down. Okay, so the cradles I was talking about is right here. They've already been cut to size and, cut to shape. So I believe I'm short on one of my L shapes right here. I'm going to get that because there's something funny going on up there, and I got to, fix that issue. But this is all for today. I didn't want to have a whole video of just me and fast forward, so I figured I'd just walk you through the steps I've got done.
Lot of boring math later.
Okay, guys, so here we go. This is what we got going on. The wood that's on the ends, where is it? There and there and there. That was to straighten it, because when you don't use your pressure treated wood, it warps really fast. And then the rest of these are just spacers, because it was a double 2x6 with no header. And what I did is a single 2x6 with a header. I also replaced the post. I only had that one and that one. I think it was just this one, that one, and this one on the end. I added these two, but they always rotted, so I replaced them. And putting the post in was simple. Little caulk and flex seal under here, and that was just to help prevent the little water runoff that goes in there. Basic 4x4 post screwed in, pressure treated wood. And I also added right there, all of the joists, rafters have been cradled. That's a different story. Working on the concrete, there's the foam. Already banged out a couple kits. But the rafters, they go and they actually rest on the 4x4. There was no header, so all the weight was on my 2x8, and that's the reason everything started rotting. The weight it couldn't handle two 2x8s and the rafters all with no header, no true support. But alright guys, thanks for coming. Spot you in the next one. We're gonna be getting some fascia up and some paint.